Ah, Actually, sobrang excited kami sa Petrogas na makalaban namin sila. Knowing talaga na every game talaga ng Petrogas ay pre-by Petrogas sobrang ganda. Siyempre, yung mga players excited din. So, medyo naging maganda yung game namin. Especially yung sa fourth set, medyo nakakapon na sustain namin yung mga lamang namin. Siyempre, congrats kay Popoy to this week. It's a good game.
Thank you, Coach. And that's very grateful for 27 points. At this point, how well are you fitting in with the green light system, and especially getting this win against Petrogas?
I'm feeling much better every day, every practice. We're incorporating some new things every day. We're trying to run a little bit more back row. We're trying to connect a little bit more with the setters. And I feel great with the team right now, yeah.
Thank you. And for Angela, you're not yung green light Petrogas means lagi excited siya. Personally, paano naman din ba yung reliance sa new team, especially galing kayo sa 5-set loss of Cameron and mga bounce back?
Coach Ruel told us to move forward talaga. We have to think of this game, just this game today. And yeah, it's always been a good energy coming into rival game in a way. And it brings so much memories and so much motivation whenever we play against Petrogas. And that's why I think there are instances that we just wanna give our all, fight, because we wanna give them a good fight as well. Because it's always been it's always classic games with Petrogas. Coco, in terms of playing, Coco is a very mature, well-experienced, and we can actually see how composed she was during that crucial point in the most especially in the first. And it's just so nice to have a teammate who's like that, who can carry your full team and actually bring the best out in all of us. Kasi siya talaga, I will talk in Tagalog kami she actually gives us so many advice that really helps us. The little things. She's very straightforward, very direct, and that's why we can really actually appreciate that. And we're all veterans here. That's why I think open communication really works for us. And most especially that crucial part, she was just holding it. And she's not a reinforcement. She's part of our team. She's a human.